Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you in PostgreSQL how you can unnest the columns to the rows. So you got the gross pay and you got the URF and you want all the amounts in one column, and this column must say gross pay URF next to the relevant rows. So let's get going. There you go, unnest array gross pay URF. We want to say to show amounts at the top of the column. Click F5. So there we've got the amounts in one column. Now we want the description next to each amount. Control copy, paste, the apostrophes in, run the script. There we have it. Gross pay URF, gross pay URF. So that's how simple it is to do. We can also do this in Excel with Power Query and in Python with a pandas melt function. So that's all for this video. If you like what you see, please click the like button below, subscribe to receive future videos, and thank you for watching.